Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here, and welcome to the first episode of my Clean and Declutter series. So in today's episode, we're going to be focusing on the boys' room, the girls' room, and my living room. And I started out with these rooms because they were the easiest for me. So let's get into the video. So the first room that I'm going to begin with is my boys' room, and as you can see in the previous clip, it was a complete mess. I took everything out of the closet from the floor because there was mold in the carpet, so they came to clean the carpet. So now that that's done, I'm going to be putting everything back in the closet and organizing the room. So if you are new to my channel, I want to let you know that I have two boys and they both share a room. One of my kids, or one of my sons, has a medical condition that requires him to have lots of medical supplies. So that's why you see lots of drawers in the room. So the cabinet to the far left holds most of his medical supplies, and then in the closet I have extra supplies that we keep for backup. So you'll see in the video that I'm going to be organizing his supplies and getting rid of things that we're not using. So I had to get the help of my oldest son to get a lot of the trash that was under the bed. There was so much trash under this bed, it was unbelievable, and I was not going under there to get it, so I asked him to get it. So everything that you see in that bag all came from under the bed. It was unbelievable. But now I'm just gonna go through all of their toys and get rid of the toys that don't have missing pieces. Don't have pieces that go together.
Call back. Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I
I find it really difficult to clean while the kids are home, especially when I'm in their room trying to clean their rooms and going through their toys. So on this particular day, I had to enlist the help of my mom, and I had to call her to come get them so I can at least get these 2 rooms cleaned. So I talk about that a lot in my vlog. I'll link my vlog channel down below, but it was really difficult to clean with them, so I had to let them go. I had to send them to my mom's house. So now I am going to be vacuuming their floor after I've cleaned everything off the floor. And as you can see, my vacuum is broken. Like, one day I picked it up to use it and the handle broke off. So I am looking for a new vacuum, but it's still working. It's doing the job. It's getting it done.
Together, you, oh you, I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we.
Alright, here's how the boys' room looks so far. I took all the linen off. I'm already washing them. They're drying. This is all of the stuff that I decluttered so far. A bunch of shoes that they could no longer fit. And then bag of trash and some things that are going to Goodwill. I cleaned out this bin right here, which had all those shoes that they couldn't fit anymore. So now they just have that. And then Brayden put his shoes up here. And then in this corner, I just went through all of the toys and kept most of the toys, and then the books and things are in the back in the corner. So that's pretty much it for the boys' room. I just have to put their sheets and stuff on, and that's pretty much it, and get rid of these shoes. So now I'm gonna move on to the girls' room, which isn't that bad. I took Trinity's sheets off already, and I just have to straighten up the kids' bed. And like I said in the clean and declutter video, the introduction, I'm not going to go through the dresser just yet. We'll save that for the end. And there's nothing really crazy going on in the closet. Just clothes that we have to go through and decide if we're going to keep it or not. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to get started on this room. So now I'm going to get started on the living room, and it's going to be the last room that I do for the day. The living room wasn't really too bad. I just needed to take out the toys from the living room. Typically the kids don't come in here, but lately they've been all over the house. I'm trying to keep them in one room, but it's not easy. So I'm just going to clean up the floor, and then I'm going to rearrange the bookshelf and get rid of all the other things that don't belong in the living room. Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on
passion. Oh, you beats my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Rewind. When we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already.
So this bookcase seems to be a catch-all area for my house, and honestly a lot of areas in my house are catch-all, but specifically here, because if I can't find a place to put something, then I'll just throw it on the bookshelf. So I have to get in the habit of not doing that. Plus I have a bad habit of holding on to things that I don't need. So both of those ring lights were broken, but I figured I could find a way to use them, and I never did. So today I threw them out, or on this particular day I threw them out. So I'm trying to keep things less cluttered as possible.
I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet One, two, three, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up, 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 up. When I'm with you, I'm with you. Pink sky ride, going faster, getting wilder. Don't care if I get out of line. You feel that beat getting harder, floating on it. We're rebels, at least for tonight. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up, 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 up. When I'm with you, I'm with you. I'm with you. We know we are lost, in love with the lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up, 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 up. When I'm with you,
And that is going to be it for this video. I hope this video gave you some inspiration to clean a room in your house or declutter a room in your house. If this video did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video.
Something so I can move on. Pull me closer or push me away. Let me know if we'll be okay. 'Cause I can't stand another moment of you playing with time.